향이 너무 프루티합니다.
너무 맛있어요.
This is so good. 여러분, 오늘 점심으로는 연어 아보카도 베이글을 만들어 볼 거예요. Let's start! 여러분들 어떤 베이글 좋아하세요? 저는 이 씨싸미 베이글 진짜 좋아하거든요. 그게가 그 씹히는 맛이 있어요. 삶은 아보카도.
I've been craving it for so long.
They hit the spot. This is like a plant spray.
This one looks sharp. 3 for £9.
Wow, that's nice. Choose a pot cover for your pot plants. I'll definitely choose the pink one. I like this one.
Does it even fit in her head?
Maybe it has to be a smaller
How's that going to
one.
work?
Oh, this one, that's right. It's not fitting anything. It's such a cool design. Look at this. Marbles for £2.50. That's so cheap.
Turn into gold.
So am I supposed to put all the 10 in here?
Yes, I work here.
In the lemon flavor.
You still got powder on your nose.
Lemon fragrance. Mandarin. It really actually smells like mandarin. I feel like I came to the candy shop. Coconut. For five more. No. Sweet flower. It doesn't smell much. 10 of them. And it's such a pretty package, isn't it? Should I get this on lemon basil? The only thing is I can't smell anything. Which one is prettier?
One on the left.
This one?
Yep.
Bubble shot? Oh my god! It's making extreme bubbles. Ah, this is so nice. How much is this? Okay, it's $2.50. Victoria sponge cake, carrot cake. Oh my god, this is heaven. I need to get this. Let's try this. Scotch egg is English.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks so good.
Before, all the bristles that look like horns.
He's fishing.
Mind you, this one looks like he's getting.
They don't want to be in the bag. Ooh, that's mad. He's not going in.
Yeah.
This is just beautiful. I love gravy.
Gravy, it's not gravy. Oh my god. You're obsessing. Never seen
love
someone.
kimchi. It's like a caveman discovering fire. Meow.
Oh, so cute.
He doesn't like my hand. Backing off.
Oh, Mimi! Why do they always attack me? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong?
Oh, we feeling so meow.
That's the cat who scratched me. You scratched me the
Oi.
other day. Didn't you? Hey, you scratched me. Do you remember me? Meow. Come, he's coming. Meow.
Did you get some cake?
No, she's the mean one. Looking all cute and innocent.